episode. I am Muhammad Musaid of Class 9. We recite your regrets of the past and anxieties of future and focus intelligently on the present. This is the best way of ensuring a positive future. With this inspiring quotes of our Pujya Gurdev Swami Chinmayananda, let us begin with today's news. National news. Celebrate festivals with caution. Second COVID-19 wave not yet over, says Centre. The central government on Thursday said the months of September and October will be crucial in pandemic management and cautioned that festivals should be celebrated in accordance with COVID-19 appropriate behavior. Addressing a media briefing, Union Health Secretary Sri Rajesh Bhushan reiterated that the country is still in the midst of the second wave. The Indian Council of Medical Research Director General Balram Bhargava said vaccines are disease modifying and not disease preventing, so it is very important to continue the use of masks even after vaccination, as reported by The Hindu. Science news. ISRO seeks proposals for analysis utilization of Chandrayaan-2 orbiter data. The Indian Space Research Organization ISRO has come out with an announcement of opportunity seeking proposals towards scientific analysis and utilization of data from all experiments of Chandrayaan-2 orbiter. According to ISRO, the data from Chandrayaan-1 had been extensively used by Indian researchers to understand lunar morphology, surface age determination and composition of the lunar surface, studies on the possible presence of magmatic as well as exogenic water as reported by The Hindu. Sports news. Chess. Indian Grandmaster Sethuraman wins Barcelona Open. Indian Grandmaster SP Sethuraman won the Barcelona Open class tournament title, while compatriot Karthikeyan Murali finished third. Sethuraman collected 7.5 points from 9 rounds to emerge winner on the basis of a better tiebreaker score after Daniil Yufa of Russia also finished level with the Indian player, as reported by The Hindu.
Moving on to the Vidyalaya news. Ramayana month celebration. Our Vidyalaya observed the month of Ramayana by organizing various activities. Every day, Ramayana Parayanam was done by the children. Also, various programs like fancy dress, Ramayana quiz, speech were performed by the children of various classes that highlighted the values of the great epic. The holy month was observed in our Vidyalaya by the children and teachers with great devotion. Independence Day celebration. The proud moment for every Indian. 75th year of India's independence was celebrated on August 15th. Teachers and students of our Vidyalaya participated in the Rashtra Gan program and became a part of Azadi Ka Amrit Utsav program. All the classes organized various programs like patriotic song, speech, declamation, presentations, which reflected the spirit of oneness. Patriotism that keeps us all of us stay united. Online assembly programs. The online class assembly based on various themes has provided a platform for all the students to showcase their talents with full zest. Children perform various activities enthusiastically in an innovative way. Live role plays, quiz, speech, presentation, etc. are performed in the online class assembly. National level achievement of our Vidyalaya. Anusha Srijit of class 8 secured first prize at national level by participating in the competition organized by Young Intact magazine on the topic Share Your Family Recipe. Anusha had really done an amazing work on the topic. Her explanation of the recipe has wonderfully blended history and culture. On the title, How Tava Kesari Won Our Hearts. Congratulations, Anusha. Your work has really inspired all of us to participate and do our best in various programs. Now, moving on to the special program, Awakening Indians to India, Session 8, The Champions of Liberation. Let me welcome Hayat Bhima of Class 7.
Hariom, Awakening Indians to India, book by Chinmaya Yuvakendra. The Champions of Liberation. Mangal Pandey, the first Indian to shoot and revolt against the British. Mangal Pandey was recruited in the 19th Regiment of British Indian Army with its headquarters at Barakpur near Calcutta. It was at the time the British authorities were distributing the new bullet with cartridges made of animal fat, which hurt the religious feelings of both Hindus and Muslims alike. A decision of rebel has already been secretly taken by Indians, but Mangal Pandey was not prepared to wait for an actual breakout of a rebellion. Mangal Pandey shot and killed Sergeant Major Hussain and Lieutenant Bob. When the court passed death sentence to Pandey, he said, "To sacrifice one's life in the service of one's country is a secret duty of everybody, and I do not deprive myself of this honor." Udham Singh. Udham Singh was born on December 26, 1899 at Sunam in Punjab. He witnessed the massacre of his countrymen at the Jallianwala Bagh on April 13, 1919. At that very moment, he decided to avenge the bloody act. The pledge of taking revenge for the Jallianwala Bagh massacre kept him restless. On 13th of April 1940, a meeting of British politicians was being held at the Caxton Hall in London, where Dyer was present. At the end of the meeting, Udham Singh took out his pistol and shot at Dyer. Udham Singh was hung into death on June 12, 1940. Yet his valor and selfless love for his country continues to inspire Indians. Vasudev Balwant Phatke. Phatke was born on 4th November 1845 in Maharashtra. The life of Shivaji had made a significant impact on him. During the days when Phatke was working in the government office, he was denied to take leave and humiliated when he wanted to visit his dying mother. He thought a rule under which one cannot serve his mother should not exist. Thus he became a rebel. He was arrested by the British officers. Even he was greatly tortured. He was not a man to surrender. He died during one of his attempts to escape from the prison. The lives of people like Phatke inspire us into soul-searching life in need, measuring by quality of living rather than the years lived. Surya Sen had once actively participated in non-cooperation movement, but later took to revolutionary activity. He became a teacher in National School in Chittagong, which led to his being popularly known as Master Da. Arrested and imprisoned for 2 years from 1926 to 1928 for revolutionary activity. He was a brilliant and inspiring organizer, possessed of immense personal courage. He was deeply human in his approach. He was one of the few leaders who had the vision to inspire and train women like Veena Das and Mamata Das in revolutionary work. There were many freedom fighters who looked into the eye of the tyrannical British rulers and dared to raise slogans of an independent India. Some are celebrated all across the world among the Indian community, while there are others whose names, despite being worthy of the glory that there is, remain anonymous to the masses today. Meet you all again to share more about the champions of liberation in this next section. Thank you.
Thank you, Haya. That was inspiring. Actions are louder expressions of thought. The quality of thought is ordered by the nature of our inner belief and faith. With this exuberant quote of our Puja Gurudev, this is Muhammad Mishal signing off. Stay safe and stay positive. Thank you.